Alright. Took a whole bunch of goodies out of the parts motor. Put them on this motor. Got my starter installed. Flywheel's on. I put the choke solenoid on there. Anyway. Got the choke hooked up. Appears to be working. I wonder if I had just hooked that up to the start solenoid, you know, and it just closed for that second when the starter was going off. Wonder if that would work out. Alright. There we go. Works pretty good, my setup here. Thanks, pal. I appreciate that. That was an easy gig. Electric start. Alright. Here's my wiring harness. A bunch of goodies right there. Broken rotor on the mag for the parts motor, so I'm going to order that up and we'll fire this up, see where we're at. And this, just want to put on the boat, get out there in the bay. Happy holidays.